Dave here at DRD Allotments. Haven't put anything up for a while, but I'm going to get a one up now. Couple little bits to show you, and I'll do a tour of what we've done up to now. I have put the potatoes in, and we have put some lettuce in, and shallots and onions in. I think there's a video of the onions going in, but we didn't get a video of the potatoes. And I think there's a small video of we're putting the stuff in here to go. I'll have to check through. So we'll give you a tour, so I'll be back in a tick. Rob putting the onions in. He's putting them 5 centimetres apart. So that's 2 rows in that bed, and he's now got that bed to do, which he should get about 4 in rows in that, and that'll be the onions in. So I'll come back when he's done that and show you, because I'll need water in it. This is tiny little seeds of cauliflower I'm putting in. And I mean tiny.
You can see them in his hand.
Just makes it a little difficult putting them in. So I've done 2 rows of them. And that's it. I managed to get 2 rows of them. Whether they'll germinate or not, I don't know. What we're doing next?
The peas, I can do them.
Yeah, go on then. I was indeed a peas last. Have we got anything else? Any kale?
Kale. I think they give us some.
Good stuff. I would stop for you. I'm now sowing carrots.
Of the purple variety.
I will thin them out when it comes to what the hell was that? That's 2 rows of carrots. I'm going to need labels, so now.
Yeah. What do you want next, guys?
Labels?
On labels. There's 2 pens. I'll give him 2. I found more labels.
Cauliflower. What's the day's date? 11.
Yep. Yeah, 11. Good.
I'm now trying to get the lettuce. lots of little ones.
You go.
Couple in there, couple in there, couple in there, couple in there. Couple in there, couple in there, couple in there. Couple in there, couple in there, couple in there. Fill them over. I'll try and get these back in the bag. Lettuce. Might show some of them outside later.
Today I'm planting peas in holes. Same when you've got left to do. Then that's coming up. Then I can start cutting them up in a minute. When I've done all these. That's it. Yeah. Then all them are spares.
Okay, here we've been tidying up. Wood stacked up there, so that's to be burned. That's to be burned now there with more wood. Still got this area to tie up. This is where we'll pile a decent wood. That's where now smaller shed leading on to a greenhouse. So walk along. This raised bed is going to be ready for to do peas in. They're going to be for putting carrots in. We've got onions in here and shallots in here. Quick shot into the greenhouse. We've got some things growing in here, peas and lettuce and peppers and cucumbers. Some flowers and all that at the top end. Lettuce just been put in today. This bed's got some strawberries in at the top. We're going to get some more strawberries, so that's in there. This bed's got nothing in yet. Getting prepared. This is full of potatoes. This is potato bed. So, and that's where rhubarb up there. Massive. I took some sticks, some massive sticks off yesterday to take home to make some rhubarb crumble. So, for rhubarb, we do need to get up here and get rid of the weeds. So, that's where apple trees starting to grow. This bit's going to turn into a wild garden. So, and that's a shot down to allotment that way. So it's coming on, it's getting on great now. So you know we're getting a lot put in this week, considering we're supposed to be at work. But don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and we'll catch you again in another week or two. Hopefully showing you putting some more stuff in. As I say, we've got stuff for the day and I forgot about videoing, so till the end. So as I say, next week or the week after, as the weather's warming up, we'll probably putting some stuff in this bed, so we'll show you doing that. And when we get enough compost, filling them up, we'll show you doing that and putting the lettuce in. So we'll say bye for now and catch you again soon. So don't forget to subscribe. Bye.